If you are an employer looking to move to Canada and grow your business, I want to go through the step-by-step process for you so that you understand the whole process if you're wanting to move, let's say, from the United States to Canada as a business owner. Because we have the benefit of NAFTA, the North American Free Trade Agreement, or what it's called now, the USMCA, if you are an American citizen and already have a successful business in the United States with employees, can incorporate a related Canadian entity. And although we don't give tax advice, we can definitely refer you to a tax advisor as to how best to structure that corporation for your best tax benefits in Canada. Once the company is incorporated, which we do help you with here at Ackah Business Immigration Law, you then can apply either at the port of entry at the entering Canada, you can apply at the border for an executive NAFTA intercompany work permit. And this work permit allows you, once the business is set up, you need an address, you need a phone number so that you can be served and be recorded as having an active business location. Then you can apply for a Canadian work permit once we've been able to help you put together the strongest application package possible. We also prepare you before you travel to Canada so that you can ensure you say all the right things and that you fully understand the category you're coming into. So first is, if you've decided you want to grow your business in Canada, you must incorporate. Then you must be able to apply for a work permit, which applies for you and your family members that are accompanying you. If they are under 18, 19 years of age, you can bring your children and your spouse will be able to get an open spousal work permit. They can work in Canada without needing to be sponsored by way of a labor market impact assessment. Once you're here in Canada working for a year or 2 or 3, you can then look into applying for permanent residence for you and your family so that you can become a permanent resident. What's great about coming as a worker, setting up a business in Canada, is once you have your work permit, you can apply for health coverage, and you can get health coverage almost immediately once you can show that you're a resident in Canada. You'll also be able to open bank accounts because you'll be able to get a social insurance number, and you'll be able to change your driver's license as well, and you can get going, start your life in Canada as a business owner, and start looking to grow and expand your market and hire Canadians to help you grow your business.